Good morning, everyone. Quick video with the door besides me shut down, so we're rolling here. First of all, you may saw that for some time already I didn't put any intro video or whatever because I didn't have time to, and because the others they blocked it from copyrighted claims and stuff like that. Because apparently when you use Canva Pro, because I paid for it obviously, you can only use it in one video, which is kind of stupid because it's like the same intro. I don't use music for something else. But hell, it is what it is. So I complied to the rules and regulations, and I kind of I don't know. But besides, I don't need an intro video anyway. I'm like cooling up, right? So in this video, I want to show you. I want to tell you because it's harder to show this, especially because it's kind of boring. It's not harder. You just have to go to Business Manager on Facebook, compare data, and then extract data, and blah blah blah. A lot of boring stuff that you're probably not interested in. You're interested in the end result here. So let's get started. The number one thing, clients come to me and say, hey, Rimas, my ads worked up until now, but then they stopped working. I'm like, that's not really happening too often, right? So you made an ad, it worked amazingly well, and you made a lot of a lot of happy customers, hopefully. Otherwise, you will probably in jail, and that's not right. And now your ads just stop working altogether. Well, yes, and it happened to me. It most probably happened to you because you're watching this video. So thing is, as an entrepreneur, you'll always strive for more, and you try to find new things that create excitement or that drive something new inside your brain, because like you get bored. If this is our stupid brain works like this. This ad works, but I don't have anything to do, like no tweaks, no nothing. It just works, and I'm like, no, I'm even blubbering right now. I'm entering the Business Manager. I see the ad there, and it's like, oh, it's working great. I'm making $1 million a day, and then your little brain in here kicks in and says, yep, you should definitely change that ad. It becomes boring to make $1 million a day from one single ad that you don't have to tweak anymore. It's obvious, right? It's like, duh, just change it. And you say, okay, well, let's make some tweaks. And you make some tweaks today and it goes bad. And you make another tweak tomorrow because you just destroyed your perfect ad yesterday. So now you have to tweak it back. But then you still say, well, probably, yeah, what I did so far wasn't working because look, it's not working anymore. And now you tweak it again with whatever you find, whatever you think works. And then it stops working. It it works even worse than it worked the day before. And then you start searching on Facebook groups and forums and all these guys suggesting stupid ideas like, I don't know, like create the ad while you're saying like this, and I don't know, with one hand cupped to your keyboard or something crazy like that, and you do that, and guess what? Obviously that doesn't really work because Facebook algorithm doesn't really care about your handcuffs, and any other stuff like that. So yeah, that doesn't work either. And then you're like, okay, what else is wrong with me? So you get to a coach like me, and you didn't say like, hey, Rimas, I'll pay like 10 grand. Just tell me what's wrong with my ads. Because I was making $1 million. I can afford your 10 grand, but just sell me. And I'm not gonna be like, I'm gonna make 10 grand because I'm just gonna sit there and say, hey, go back and analyze your Facebook data. See what you did good when you did that. For example, let's say October was the best month ever. Okay, if October was the best month ever, go back to October. Just put a filter out there in Facebook. See all the campaigns that ran in October, and what did you specifically do that? Did you have 1 ad, 100 ads? Did you have 1 audiences, 10 audiences? Did you have $100 a day budget? $3,000 a day budget, whatever it was, just do it again. It's that simple. Do that again. And it's, do you want to improve? Yeah, honestly, you would, I mean, you always want to test new things, to create new stuff, but do not be stupid like me. Do not tweak your current campaigns, the ones that are working properly. No, you just create a separate ad account, and yeah, you test there all the things you want on a separate budget. Okay, does this stuff work? Does this stuff work? How can I tweak this audience to make it even better or something? And yeah, that's perfect judgment. But don't be like me. Do not just destroy $1 million a day campaigns because I'm getting bored with making $1 million. I mean, I need some excitement in my life. I need to go broke before I make $1 million again, right? That's excitement. So, no, that's stupidness. So, just don't do that, okay? On this note, I'm gonna end this video. Please leave in the comments down below whatever you'd like to see next, be that Facebook or ClickFunnels or just some business talk, because I pretty much enjoy doing those as well. I don't think at first that I would, but I do actually. So leave in the comments down below what would you like to see next. Some people suggested integrations inside ClickFunnels, and I'll do that, but just please upvote it. So till next time.